म्यूट में गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ओम सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. Let there be peace, let there be peace and love amongst all the human beings of the universe. Let there be peace. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. We have started the contemplation on chapter number 20. That is, the name of this chapter itself is a contemplation of the self, that is pure consciousness. यानी क्या हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा कि अपना जो सेल्फ है, अपना जो स्वरूप है, अपना जो अनडिवाइडेड अनफ्रैगमेंटेड नेचर है, एब्सोल्यूट बीइंग है, प्योर कॉन्शियसनेस है, इसका कैसा चिंतन कीजिए और 24/7 365 डेज इसका अपना अनुशीलन कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो अपन पहला टॉपिक देखा था भ्रम कारणम, द कॉज ऑफ डिल्यूजन, हाउ दिस डिल्यूजन कम्स इन आवर माइंड। वशिष्ठ ऋषि इज ब्यूटिफुली टेलिंग राम, and through this Ram we are also understanding Ram is our representative there. Ram ये अपने representative है and he is trying to understand whatever Vasishtha Rishi is telling him. So first shloka itself, page number 204, chapter number 20, it is said that you are only Brahman, you are the only supreme spirit, not divided by space, time and light. आप ये देश काल वस्तु से डिवाइडेड नहीं हो, कितनी बड़ी बात है। ये अपन पकड़ते नहीं, अपन क्या करते हैं, देश, भारत देश, काल, समय, आज की तारीख, अभी बजे है 1:30, देश, काल, वस्तु, मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, इससे डिवाइड हो जाते हैं। और क्या हो रहा है, एक्चुअली वो ब्रह्मा जी की लीला चल रही है। ब्रह्मा जी की लीला बगैर परिवर्तन हुए लीला चल रही है, और अपन क्या लेते हैं कि मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे आफ्टरनून मीटिंग कंडक्ट कर रहा हूँ या कॉन्टेम्पलेशन कंडक्ट कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ रहा हूँ। ये रिलेटिव जगत के लिए बहुत सही है, इट इज वेरी ट्रू फॉर रिलेटिव जगत, बट इन एब्सोल्यूट जगत इट हैज नो मीनिंग, बिकॉज वी हैव सीन इन चैप्टर नंबर 9 व्हाट हैज टू बी ड्रॉप्ड एज known has to be dropped. This known is existing in the relative world, whereas in absolute world there is nothing called as known. It is only a pure consciousness. It is imperishable, उसको कोई तोड़ नहीं सकता. So what is that? Mauni swatma sukhi bhavo. If you remain silent, then you will be the happiest person in this world. So इसका मतलब are we going to become inert? No, no. Whatever comes in your life, Hari Ichha or Hari Krupa. Take it as a Hari Ichha or Hari Krupa. If it goes according to your wish, then Hari Krupa. If it goes against your wish, then it is Hari Ichha. And both the things, your mind should remain tranquil. Shitala. It should remain tranquil. And if it doesn't remain tranquil, that means what? That means you are in the duality, you are in the separateness. What you do is projection of mind. How long this is possible? Till you feel a difference, till you feel there is a division. So it cannot go. Ajnan is incomplete knowledge. It is not absence of knowledge. So lead your life cheerfully, happily, and you are divine. Tell mind to overcome this sorrow. Till such time we take objective world as a real, then we suffer. So that's what we have studied in Brahma Karanam. Second topic we started Avidya Vibhagam, where we have seen one or two shloka. There rises by itself that being consciousness, this consciousness we are talking about, it rises itself as a throb of consciousness. So throb of consciousness करके rise होता है, and then all the suffering starts, and suffering comes like sattvagun, tamogun or rajogun. So why this it will come? So what happens is mind becomes extrovert, and these three gunas starts pulling us in different direction. So this is a spiritual ignorance, which is again divided in three more parts, and thus it becomes totally 9 parts. So today we are going to start the shloka number 12, page number 206, and chapter 20. Satvikasya bhagasya naga vidyadharatama Rajastu mana munaya siddha sattvam deva haradaya. Of the part which has the nature of sattva, that is light, knowledge or harmony, Naga, the mystical semi-divine being having a human face, serpent tail, inhabiting the nether worlds, and Vidyadhara, the class of demigods, constituting of the tamas, that is darkness, ignorance, and inertia. These are the subdivisions. So subdivisions are made everywhere. Now, सत्व को काय में डिवाइड किया? लाइट, नॉलेज, हार्मनी. रज को काय में डिवाइड किया? mythical semi-divine, human face, serpent tail, inhabiting the other levels. And tamas को काय में डिवाइड किया? Tamas has been divided into darkness, ignorance, and inertia. So likewise, there are 9 parts, and this has been defined very nicely. But actually, what is that? Actually, these are all the appearances which are taken relative, and we are feeling that relative world is real. That's why we are suffering. Whereas now it has been told that we have to work as a badha vritti, working as a badha vritti, although living in the body, but not living as the body. Body में रहते हैं पर body के समान नहीं रहना है. So no status of reality, though the perception is gathered by senses, mind and intellect. Perception gather होता है sense, mind and intellect. The world appears to be real, but we do not take it real as it is a badha vritti. So the pure sattva portion of avidya, shloka number 13. Shuddha sattvaya vidyayam bhago vidyati kathite tishtanti jnanano mukta yavad deva jagatstito. The pure sattva, the portion of avidya or spiritual ignorance, is declared as a vidya or a spiritual knowledge. Sages endowed with spiritual knowledge remains liberated as long as the body resides in the world. So the liberated soul, how he looks at the world? He sees only as a divine play. He has nothing to do in this world. There is nothing responsibility or there is nothing to be attended by him because he is one without second. So nothing to worry. So experiencing through the limitations of sense organs, mind and intellect, and yet not none of these experience, though the limitations of sense organs, mind, intellect, it doesn't affect, and since he is not giving any status of reality or validity to it. So this is Vidya. ये विद्या विद्या क्या है? जगत में रह रहा है, जगत में सब कुछ हो रहा है, जगत में सब देख रहा है, देखते हुए भी प्रसन्न चित्त रहता है, किसी को कमेंट नहीं करता, हो रहा है होने दो, जा रहा है जाने दो, चिंता नहीं करना. इसका मतलब क्या है? काम नहीं करना, ऐसी वाली से डायनामिकली वेरी इफेक्टिवली इफिशिएंटली सब काम करना है. बट पता है ये भगवान की लीला है, तो अपन उसमें कोई बेनिफिट हुआ तो भी कोई थैंक्स गिविंग नहीं, और कोई नुकसान हुआ तो भी कोई रोना नहीं. तो इसके लिए साधना करना पड़ेगा. These ज्ञानी पुरुष are liberated when they are very much alive in this world, since they are living as a बाध वृत्ति. जैसा कि भगवान रामकृष्ण परमहंस बताते थे कि अरे मैंने ये गेम में, पासा फेंकने के गेम में 25 में से 24 नंबर मिला के मैं इसमें से बाध हो गया हूँ. आप लोग बड़े होशियार हो, आप तो ये गेम खेल रहे हो, आप अपना गेम चलने दो, पर मैं तो बाध हो गया हूँ. सो वी हैव टू हैव बाध वृत्ति. बाध वृत्ति मीन्स remaining in the same world but not commenting, not interacting, not this thing. Do everything whatever comes to your share. So they continue to express through the sense organs, mind and intellect, but they are no more living as any of this limitation. They will never improve the world or change anything in this world. They accept the world as it is and live through it happily and cheerfully. So very good example is given as a mirage water. Mirage water is mirage water. You can't change that because it is not real. So similarly, this world is also not real for these people. They are not blessed. They are the blessed people in this world. Whereas now next shloka which we are going to say and stop it here. Morkhe pindastavaradi tamasavadi gata tatra manasva praptam manasvadapi cha uttapam. As object like the mountain, which is a mass of stupidity, has gone to the limit of quality of tamas, that is darkness, ignorance, and inertia. That the state free from the mind is not obtained. It has also fallen from the state of thinking mind. कोई ऐसी सोचेगा कि भाई मैं तो सिर्फ आराम करूंगा, सोते रहूंगा, जब जगत झूठ है तो इससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू विल गो इनटू द डार्कनेस, इग्नोरेंस. they will be not blessed to have the mind. उनका mind dormant condition में रहेगा and they will keep on suffering internally. So what is required is, because it is an illusion, illusion don't change, illusion cannot change, cannot be improved. We can't improve our dreams. When dreams are over, we don't discuss about the dreams, because dream is dream. In same manner, wise people continue through this body but do not live as a body, they live as a badhavritti. They continue to live as a badhavritti. They have nothing to do with this world. Still, they will continue to do all the activities as if this relative world is true, but they will do it as a with a drama sense. With these prayers, Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Ramachandra Arpanamastu, submitting the divine proofs to the holy fruits of Sri Ramachandra.